Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome to 2026. Chris Natzke here, and as we begin this fresh new year, I want to take a moment to send you my heartfelt wishes for health, happiness, and powerful breakthroughs in the months ahead. Now, if you're like many of the organizations I work with, you're already planning ahead for your 2026 events, and you're looking for ways to inspire your people, unify your teams, and ignite lasting transformation. And that's exactly where I come in. As America's breakthrough sensei, I bring over 5 decades of martial arts leadership and experience to the stage, not just to motivate, but to help your team break through what's holding them back. Whether through my high energy keynote speeches or my signature board breaking experience workshops, I create unforgettable moments of clarity, confidence, and commitment that your audience will carry with them long after the event ends. So, if you're ready to kick off 2026 with purpose, and you're looking for a speaker who brings real tools, real heart, and truly transformational experiences, I'd love to connect with you. Just click the link in the email to schedule a brief discovery call with me, and let's explore how I can best serve you and your team and your mission for the year ahead. Wishing you a year of inspired action and unstoppable breakthroughs. This has been Chris Natzke, America's Breakthrough Sensei, and I look forward to connecting soon.